good? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'.
I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I ditch the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I ditch the whip. Be my girl, be shy.
And I'm back with another video. So today I got my first sponsor. So it ain't nothing too much new, you know, but it was free. And I'm just gonna give my honest opinion. Hopefully it works good. I'm gonna be testing out I'm gonna test it out on my daughter. So it's from Touch Beauty Essentials. It's a 2-in-1 nail polish dryer. Two-in-one nail polish dryer. It says it dries fast with UV and all that. It takes batteries, so I'm gonna have to get some batteries. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got some batteries, and this is what it came in. This is what it came. And excuse the noise. If you hear noise, that's my kids. You know, I can never be great, but yeah. So this is a cute little color that it came in. That's where the batteries go. So give me some batteries. Some batteries. Some batteries. So I got big batteries and it's small batteries. Reading is fundamental. I'll be back again.
What does it do with your hair?
Okay, so I got some batteries.
My batteries. My mom has my batteries.
I took the batteries out of his remote, so he's gonna keep saying that. It's a little bit of air coming out. Not too much. I think I need stronger batteries.
Yeah. Okay, you will batteries.
So I guess it's only one mode. Not too sure.
Only just one?
Can you move away from my camera before I pause? Alright, so we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna paint my nails and stick it dry.
See if it dries up.
Use this little pink color.
Wait, what does it do in my fingers?
It dries your it's for the girls when they dry their hair.
What about my head? Is it wet? Mommy, I was thinking that I could get a new fan.
Why? It doesn't work?
Oh, my old fan just shakes.
Oh.
My old fan just shakes.
Old fan shakes because you keep dropping it.
Well, it's not even falling. And then shakes. Mia! That's licky. Hug me now. Mommy, do with me now. Turn me off. Turn me off.
Watch out. You're gonna drop my camera and I'm so sad.
Mommy, turn me off.
You know what's going on?
Yeah. Can you paint my nose?
Okay, one moment. I'm making mad. Just trying to hurry up.
Yeah. You just right here.
What's that?
Whoa. It's an egg. Okay, so
I haven't had to do that. So we're gonna see if it does anything. It's coming out. I feel like it's really small.
Is it?
Wow.
Is
It's
it
like
doing it?
cold. Huh?
Is it doing it?
Yes. I kind of think the batteries, I don't know. It was supposed to, oh, it really does dry it. Okay. I painted them kind of ugly. Okay, back to it. So, it really did work. They're dry. I mean, I didn't paint them too cute, but it's okay. Yeah, so I think it's okay. If you guys want to buy this, there's a link in the description below. I'll probably just use it on my daughter's hands because my hands are like way bigger than hers, so she could fit all her little fingers in there. So yeah, but I like it. It's cool to me. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna end now. Don't forget. Can y'all be quiet real quick? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on those post notification bells to get notified of my videos. It's been real, and I'm gonna head out. Catch you on the next video. Goodbye, lovelies. Peace.